Good morning everybody and welcome to our first full day here in Bpool. So it is nearly 8:30 and I have just finished getting dressed. I got up at 7 and I didn't have a good night's sleep, which I was expecting anyways because I was in pain with my stomach, still in pain with my stomach, but I have just took my tablet, so hopefully like I can't sit down. Also woke up with my hay fever playing out, which I'm just like great, and I've come out with a red like mark on my nose, which is great, but I'll cover that up with makeup. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. So my hay fever is quite bad today, but I have took my hay fever tablet, so hopefully that calms down a bit later on. The weather is very rainy, and Richard was going to go to the car boot sale, which he normally goes to, but it's been cancelled because of the weather. So yeah, but I will show you what I'm wearing in the mirror, and then I'm going to put the camera on charge and then head downstairs. Yesterday my extension lead wouldn't work, and I'm uploading yesterday's video, and I thought like if I didn't charge it like overnight then it would die, but it didn't. And it's uploading. It's got an hour and 20 minutes and it should be uploaded by then. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I'm wearing, and then I will come back to you after breakfast. We were putting like his makeup on and stuff. We won't be going out until probably about 11, so at least when I get back upstairs that I'll be able to have a little bit of a rest with my stomach. So yeah, let's go. Beautiful weather. Chucking it down. Fun. Outfit of the day. I am wearing this t-shirt, which I want to say it's from yours, probably not. And these yellow trousers, and these are from Shein. So I've just finished doing my bag and putting my makeup on, and just need to nip to the toilet, put this camera away, put my phone in the holder and the keys, put my shoes on, good to go. So I will see you when we are not about. I'm pretty certain my mum said that we were going shopping. She wants to go into that Poundland B&M and stuff, so that's what I'm going to do. Hello, my camera is wrapped, but we are walking about, walking on Coronation Street, and we thought change it up a little bit. And we are going to head into some shops because of the lovely weather, and we don't want to be sodden wet. My hay fever is playing up today, so my nose, I'm even constantly sneezing, so my nose is fudging tab, so great. We'll be meeting up at like 1:30 at Colorado, and we're not going to have a dinner at Colorado. I'm just going to sit and wait for Rich, and then we'll decide where we're going to go from there for this dinner. But yeah, this is Amzil is just at the top of your what that? Hiya. So we are too much camping, and we are currently in Golden Mountains Diner. So we are in to Hansel.
We have a change. We'll go to amusement arcade that number one, Blackpool Amusement Arcade. Upstairs. We'll go upstairs and have a drink from Liam. Savers, I said.
Well, I went to the drug fairs because my mascara that I was using is basically very, like, it just looks very dry. And I don't know why, because like, I don't think I used it a lot. And then went to Savers, Swatch, because I know like I can obviously use my phone, you know, it's just easier just to do it again. My mum went into like this shop that she didn't buy anything. That's it. Yeah. Look for Colorado. Came here for dinner. I had fish and chips. Small like fish and chips. Mum had jacket potatoes with cheese and beans, which just had coffee. And yeah. I'm going to reassess. So I will actually go to like the shop. I don't know what I'll do right now. I've been Primark. I've been Possibility, Primark, there's Claire's, it's still very wet and raining, so I'm content. British Red Satisfier. We are in our favourite shop, which is Primark. Don't know. I just been into TK Maxx. Didn't buy. Oh, I did. Sorry, got a charge cable, but I did look at the makeup, didn't get anything. But I picked up a case and I asked if I could try it on and it didn't fit my phone. So yeah, we couldn't get the phone back out of the thing. So yeah, so I just got like a charging cable. I think it was like £10. And it's like 6 foot long and it's leopard print, so yeah, in our favourite shop. It's still chucking it down with rain. I think it's going to be for the rest of the day this.
I propose for the rest of the day.
We are going to,
I don't think we're going to sit in the York today though.
I don't think we're going to spend a lot in Primark because don't need anything, we're just looking, but you know, sometimes when you look it's a bit harder. Come on then.
Yeah.
Yeah. I feel like I've got a bit. Ooh. Sorted. Need Richard. But he didn't go into these. Where is Richard?
Disappeared. Meeting about our four at
oh yeah, we're going to look at the Blackpool amusements.
We can have a change
cafe where we went to for the day trip.
Change.
At half 4, I'm not sure the time actually.
Doing that as well when we're around here,
earlier, but I can't remember the time. Oh, hang on, it is. I keep forgetting I have a watch on. 3:10. So let me know if you do any damage in Primark, and then from Primark we'll go to Claire's and possibly like build a barrel boots. So yeah, Primark. Whoa, dangerous shop. Good lighting, and then I'm going to talk because of the music. So we are in a Blackpool amusement, we do one that we're for our day trip. Just me and my mum. I don't know where Richard is because I can't find out where he is on the app. What's it? It is about half 4, yeah. We didn't have 4 and it's 4:35.
Oh, do you like to go that now?
Yeah. Look at them flavours and the racing. Again, what is that? And
supposed to be 27, but like the bed was 20. I've like just shown me like selling on me for the backpack. But that's the I'd find some like a mum then. I'm sure you've got it around now. This is right. It's the Poundland. And this is this is on the bit. And again, I've kept these on. This is the watch. I don't have a shirt with them on. This was £6. I've got one of these somewhere in my house. And instead this is at the bottom. I don't know where that is. I did see it. Yeah, he's still picking it down a bit. Back at base. It is bang on 6 PM and I thought before I head into my mum's bedroom for tea I would show you what we got today. It is quite a fair bits and bobs here and there, and I could possibly just do it when I get home, but I will include it in this little segment of the video because why not? So first things first, we went to Superdrug. I went into Superdrug with an intention of buying a mascara, like I mentioned I think in this vlog. So I picked up this mascara, which is the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift Mascara. £12.99 primer by Elle. This is a Power Grip primer. This was £10. And then I picked up these by Studio London, and it is 8 reusable makeup remover pads, £6.99. So my mum wanted to go into Savers because she wanted like a few packets of like hankies, not you know like a box of hankies, but packets so you can just shove it in your bag. I think we might have enough for about like good, you know. Called Cute Diarrhea Relief Capsules. And it's a little manicure set, and then we got some wet wipe. Then went into TK Maxx, but the cable, I was like, why not? And it's a leopard print, which is my whole time favourite thing. And this was £9.99. First of all, she picked up this lovely dress. How cute. And this was £8. She picked up this like, what is this? It is actually a wireless earbud strap compatible with all generations of AirPods, but there's like a little bit at the back which I don't know if you'll be able to see. This little bit here, and it hooks on like your glasses, and that was £2. So I do already own these in pink, but I picked them up in purple. And I don't know what, I think these are like I want to say like a knockoff of, I think they're called Jordans. Pretty certain, like Air Jordans or something to do with that. These were £14. Picked up these Barbie sliders. And this is, you know, very like, what do you call it, like, it's not, you know, out there, and it's like a classic nice backpack. I actually really like it, not gonna. I got some wireless headphones, again on Barbie theme. Picked up this gorgeous charger, and then this, how much was this? I can't quite remember. I think the receipt's in the bag, so I'll just double check. Picked up a lip balm. This is the Carmex lip balm, and this is a peach and mango bird.
Now I have zero intentions of getting a Build-A-Bear because I own so many Build-A-Bears as it is. Are you ready? This is so cute. It's an axolot. So it's just gone past 8:30 and I have just got my bag ready to go out. Just waiting for my mum to nip in because of the trainers that I showed you earlier I got from Primark. Because I'm autistic, I can't do shoelaces, so I'm about to do that for me. But yeah, just put this lippy on now. I don't know if I told you what this lip gloss is, but it's by NYX. I did a TikTok I think on this where I showed you, but it's NYX. This is Milky Gloss Milk and Honey flavour, and it's in the shade, it's in the shade Milk and Honey. Just looks like this, and it's not like sticky. Well, I mean it is sticky, but because it's a lip gloss, but you get what I mean. But it's not, you know, like gooey sticky. It's really nice actually. I might get like some more shades of these, but I can't quite remember the price. But yeah, literally came all the way to flipping Blackpool, and in this bag is a flipping, my mum can't get him, a flipping piece of like their flipping hair, what they have in the flipping cage. Honestly, what are they like? It's 10:40 and we have just got into the room. I haven't vlogged tonight because of the like appalling weather, and like my camera has been in like a bag like the entire night, and the bag is very difficult to open as well as close, so I couldn't vlog because I just couldn't get in and out of the bag. But we went into Blackpool Amusements, and I was in there until just before, I think it was about like 9:45, and we had to, oh my god, Jesus, and it basically, it was closing at like 10, so we came out at like 9:45 and we went into Coral Island, and we spent the rest of the night in Coral Island. We went on some ticket machines in Blackpool Amusements. We got like a good couple of tickets. I'm not sure how many. My mum won't know because she writes it down in her notes. Coral Island, Richard got some tickets, and I went on like my favourite game, which is the bingo game. Went on that. Also went on Snakes and Ladders, and I think it's called Rainbow Witches. Witches. And I did win money, but like I put it back on, if you get what I mean, and on my bingo I won £3, but I put it back on. So yeah, right. I am going to take off this makeup, get into my nightie, into my bed, and I'm going to edit this vlog and put this on charge. Just my phone actually doesn't need to be on charge until tomorrow, so I can keep that here, but just put on silent. Also, if you're not following me on TikTok, there should be a link in the description. Make sure you follow me. Unfortunately I can't follow you guys back because I've reached like the limit of how many people I can follow, which is, I think it's like 10,000, and I've reached that limit, so I can't unfortunately follow you back. But I am doing like a vlog every day over on my TikTok, so make sure you check that out. The first one I uploaded this morning. Let's check how well it's doing. That has got, it had 609 views and 52 likes. So yeah, right, I'm gonna get cozy and get to bed. Get this vlog edited, go to sleep and hopefully get a better night's sleep. Fingers crossed. I am so thirsty, it's unbelievable how fucking thirsty I am. We couldn't go into the snack bar, it's called Peggy's Snack Bar, which is the cafe that we always go in Coral Island, because it's shut at 9. So yeah, I was gutted about that. But I've got plenty of drinks in here, so I'll be a-okay. 11:10 and I'm just about to edit this video, so I thought I would come on here and say goodnight to you guys. Look at how red my fucking face is. That's like in real life, like that's not the camera. I'm really warm. I've got the window open, but yeah. I'm going to edit this video. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy it, please give it a massive thumbs up. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new, if you are subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell. Tomorrow we are actually doing something new, which I'm very excited about, and it'll be something different for you guys instead of watching like the same old stuff that we always do every year. But yeah, I'm very excited about tomorrow, and hopefully the weather is a whole lot better than it was today. Also, we've got like some really rowdy, drunk people outside. Like basically, if you've seen on yesterday's vlog, that is like a little alleyway with like carriages and different sheds and all this stuff. So there's lots of people outside, shouting away, which is just all great and fun and games. It makes me feel really secure. I mean, obviously, I think I am secure in the sense of like the hotel doors are locked and this bedroom doors are locked, but I just don't know. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.